Hey everyone, welcome to OC's Daily Meditation, where you can come every day and get a short 3 to 5 minute meditation in, followed up by an affirmation to help guide you towards having a good, positive, happy day today and doing some self-reflection. Alright, so go ahead and sit up straight, close your eyes. We're going to take a nice deep breath and simply place all of our attention and awareness on our breathing. So go ahead and take a nice deep breath. And just breathe normally. Pay attention to how it feels to inhale and exhale. And if your mind starts to wander, just return your attention back onto your breathing and do that as many times as needed. And after a couple minutes here, I'll pull us out of our meditation. Alright, that completes our meditation for the day, and our daily affirmation is, the sounds of nature cleanse my spirit. The sounds of nature cleanse my spirit. Today's affirmation. The sounds of nature cleanse my spirit. There's something really centering, really calming about the sounds of nature. My family and I went to Starved Rock to walk the path, and we went up to the but climbed a bunch of stairs and went out to this ledge where you overlook some running water, and we can hear the squirrels scurrying by as we're walking the path, and you can hear the birds chirping. The air is fresh, and just being out in nature is so centering. It's so calming. So find some time to do that, whether you go somewhere like Starved Rock or a forest preserve, anywhere you can go where you can just actually hear the sounds of nature. rather than, city noise or staying cooped up inside your house all the time. Try and make some time to get out with nature and then really connect with nature and become aware of your breathing and listen. Listen to the sounds of nature. And it's a healing thing, I think. And if you can't, go ahead and go on YouTube and find some type of meditation that has sounds of nature and just connect to that. Connect to that feeling. Take a deep breath and feel how uplifting that is. Alright, so that's our affirmation today, is connecting with nature. The sounds of nature cleanse my spirit. Have a great day, everybody. I love you. I appreciate you. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow for our next edition of OC's Daily Meditation. Go ahead, hit subscribe for me if you're watching on YouTube, and if you're watching on my Facebook page, OC's Daily Meditation. Go ahead, hit that like button. Feel free to share the video and invite your friends, family to follow along this page if you think they would benefit from daily meditation and self-reflection and use of affirmation. I'll see you guys tomorrow.